Cash and bank transfers using Contra Voucher. You may use the Contra Voucher to make any transfers between your bank and cash accounts. Let us see how we can enter the withdrawal of cash from the bank. From the Gateway of Tally menu, select Vouchers. Select the right button F4, Contra. For easy entry, ensure that you are in the single entry mode. You may use the button Change Mode and select Single Entry. Verify that the entry date is correct. You can change the date using the Date button. Skip the Cost Center/Classes. Select the cash or bank ledger to debit under the Account field. Select the cash or bank ledger under the heading Particulars, and enter an amount to be credited. Press the Enter key to get into the bank allocation screen. Select the transaction type from the list. Select check as the funds have been received through check. Enter the instrument number as the check number. The field bank date is the bank's clearance date, which is updated during reconciliation, or if you know that the bank-in has been cleared, then you may enter the date manually. Accept the screen to go back to the main receipt entry screen. Leave the particulars blank to indicate the end of ledgers. Enter narration as required. Accept to save the voucher. Since the bank ledger has been set up for check printing, Tally will prompt you to print the check. Altering Contra Vouchers. You may use multiple methods to alter the vouchers. In the voucher entry screen, simply press the Page Up key to go back to the previously entered voucher. Alternatively, you may select Day Book from the main Gateway of Tally menu. The Day Book will show all the vouchers entered as of the current date. Use the button F2 to change the date, or Alt and F2 to change the period. To alter, press Enter on the Contra Voucher. Printing Contra Vouchers. To print the Contra Voucher, use the Ctrl and P or click on the top button Print and select Current. Use the Configure button, click on Show More. Set the options to print the bank transaction details, narration. It is recommended to enable the options Show Checked By and Verified By and Show Prepared By. Scroll down and set the height and width of Contra Voucher to 0 or set them as required. Use the Escape key to come back to the print window. You may use the Preview button to view the voucher. Before printing, select your printer using the button Printer. The printer properties is shown where you can select the paper size and orientation. Please note that you may set these printer properties directly in Windows so that they are saved for future use. If you want to print the Contra Voucher on saving it, you can alter the voucher type and enable the option Print Voucher after saving. To verify the Contra Voucher entered, you can use the Change Mode button using Ctrl and H and select Double Entry. You will be able to view the voucher with debits and credits and verify that the total debit amount is equal to the total credit amount. Using Receipts/Payments/Journals as Contra. When you use receipt or payment or a journal voucher, the list of ledger accounts in the Particulars field does not show the bank ledgers to select. To override this, simply type the name of the bank example CIMB and select it. Please refer to the previous chapters on how to enter Receipts/Payments/Journals.